Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Sunday, that gigantic ball of fire that keeps everything alive on Earth, turned off for just 1 second? It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but what would really happen? Get ready, because the answer is far more surprising than you think. First, let's remember how important the Sunday is. This nuclear giant, 109 times the size of Earth, not only provides us with light and heat, but also keeps the gravitational balance of our solar system. Without the Sunday, life as we know it would cease to exist. Now, if the Sunday turned off for 1 second, would we even notice here on Earth? The short answer is no. But don't leave just yet, because the explanation behind this is mind-blowing. Sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. This means that if the Sunday disappeared, we wouldn't notice it instantly. The light and heat we see now are a recording of what happened over 8 minutes ago. So, if it turned off for just 1 second, that brief moment of darkness wouldn't reach Earth until 8 minutes later. During that second, everything would seem normal. But there's more. Even though a 1 second solar blackout sounds harmless, there would be consequences on a cosmic scale. The Sunday doesn't just emit light and heat. It also sends out particles traveling through the solar wind. These particles affect everything from the northern lights to communication signals on Earth. If the flow of these particles stopped, even for a moment, it could destabilize the magnetic fields of the planets. Fortunately, our planet has the ability to absorb these minor changes thanks to its atmosphere and magnetic field. However, if the blackout lasted more than 1 second, the impact could be catastrophic. Now, imagine if this blackout lasted not 1 but several seconds. The Earth would start to cool down immediately, especially in areas where it's nighttime. In space, the planets would lose their orbital stability because the Sunday is also the gravitational force keeping them in their trajectories. In other words, while 1 second might not mean much to us, it's a reminder of how dependent we are on the Sunday. Without it, our solar system would descend into chaos. So, the next time you see a sunrise or feel the warmth of the Sunday on your skin, remember how crucial it is to our existence. Even 1 second of blackout would be an event we cannot afford to experience. The moon, our only natural satellite, it has always been there, controlling the tides, inspiring poems and movies, and serving as a beacon in our darkest nights. But have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon didn't exist? To understand the impact of the moon's absence, we first need to know what it does for us. The moon doesn't just beautify the night sky, it plays a key role in the stability of our planet. Its gravity controls the tides, regulates the climate, and most importantly, stabilizes the tilt of Earth's axis. Without the moon, the world would be a very, very different place. Let's start with the tides. The moon creates 2 high tides and 2 low tides every day due to its gravitational pull. Without the moon, these tides would be much weaker, as we'd only have the sun's influence left. This would severely affect marine ecosystems. Coastal areas and species that rely on tides, like crabs and mollusks, would face serious challenges to survive. Furthermore, ocean currents, which are partially driven by tides, would weaken, impacting the global climate. But the most dramatic change would be in Earth's axial tilt. Currently, the moon stabilizes this tilt at 23.5 degrees. This is crucial for maintaining the seasons as we know them. Without the moon, Earth's tilt could shift drastically, even up to 90 degrees. The result? Extreme seasons and unpredictable climates. Some regions would endure perpetual winters, while others would face endless summers. Without the moon, nights would be much darker. Did you know that the moon reflects up to 12% of the sun's light during the night? Without that light, darkness would be almost complete in areas far from cities. Not only that, but nighttime temperatures would also drop significantly, affecting ecosystems and humans alike. Speaking of humans, did you know that the moon also influenced the development of life? The tidal cycles caused by the moon may have played a crucial role in the evolution of the first forms of life on Earth. Without the moon, our planet's history could have been completely different. Perhaps we wouldn't even be here. Drop them in the comments, and we'll explore them in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this.